Don't download Questwealth Portfolios app before watching this. If you're considering Questwealth Portfolios, stop for a moment. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just a simple robo-advisor, but the surprising truth is that Questwealth combines automated investing with actively managed portfolios. While this sounds appealing, it comes with hidden nuances you need to understand. Questwealth offers pre-built portfolios based on your risk tolerance, ranging from conservative to aggressive. This makes it convenient for beginners who don't want to pick individual stocks. However, most people don't realize that the management fees, while lower than traditional advisors, are higher than many pure robo-advisors. Even a 0.25% annual fee can significantly reduce long-term returns, especially on large accounts. Another consideration is asset allocation. Questwealth heavily relies on ETFs and bonds for diversification. While this reduces risk, it also limits your upside in booming markets. For example, during periods of high growth in tech or small cap stocks, your portfolio may underperform compared to more aggressive DI investing strategies. Liquidity is straightforward. Your funds are easily accessible, but the real risk comes from market volatility. Questwealth does a solid job of automatically rebalancing, but it can't protect you from sudden downturns. Many investors underestimate this and panic during market drops. Customer service is generally good, and the platform is regulated, so your funds are safe. But remember, safety of funds don't equal guaranteed returns. In conclusion, don't download Questwealth Portfolios if you're expecting a no-risk, high-return solution. It's a solid choice for beginners who value simplicity and professional management, but it's not magic. Understand the fees, the trade-offs in asset allocation, and your own risk tolerance before committing. With the right expectations, Questwealth can be a powerful tool, but going in blindly can lead to disappointment. Always assess your financial goals and investment horizon before diving in.